So to help people hit their protein targets, I've come up with some protein meals on the go. So essentially they're easy to make, and in my opinion, they're pretty tasty, but mainly they're high in protein. And the idea behind these is that they ideally become like a kind of a staple. So at least one of your main meals of the day is something similar to this, something that's just basically easy to make and on the go. I'm fully aware that people have their own preferences and tastes and stuff like that. So, modify these meals as much as you can, but the ideas behind the meal is really what I want people to take away so that they know how to basically hit their protein targets going forward. And then the two things to keep in mind with these meals is that, it's impossible to cook the right meal if you don't have the right food. So, do the preparation in advance in terms of cooking, in terms of shopping. So, be stocked up on the food you need, and then also just plan. So you don't have to plan every single meal of your week, but just as much as you need to hit your goals, have some template of a plan in place. I have a breakfast and I have a dinner, and then I have this protein serving with it, for example, Monday to Friday, and that helps you stay on track most days of the week. So then the requirements then, so basically the meal should contain a source of protein, obviously, and if not one, maybe even two, or 2 servings of protein. The next part then, just for like weight maintenance or fat loss, is a pretty common goal. So this will help this too, is the bulk of the meal is vegetables or fruit. This is, optional, but I would be a strong proponent of a plant-based diet, and fruit adds flavor and lots of nutrients. Then this one is a bit more of an advanced requirement, but it's something people might want to look at the more serious they take their goals, and that's the calories or the portions match your goal. So if your goal is fat loss or muscle building, you might want to adjust the meals to these goals and the calories as well. Then the number one thing really is that the meals are easy to make and you enjoy eating them, because if you don't enjoy eating them and they're difficult to make, you will not make them, basically. So first meal is like a protein yogurt or a smoothie, and this can be made, as dense or, as light as you like. You can go lighter on the calories and go low or no fat Greek yogurt, or you can go full fat, whatever you require. That will have protein, as will a scoop of protein itself, and it will also have flavor. So you can have your favorite flavored protein, Rocky Road, chocolate chip, caramel or whatever, and throw that in. Cinnamon then, extra flavor as well if you'd like. And then the frozen fruits or fresh fruits, they will have extra flavor, and they will also bulk up the meal and help you stay fuller for longer. The next one then is a protein burrito. So, put in frozen or fresh peppers, obviously cooked, or whatever vegetables you enjoy. Low or no fat cheese or full fat cheese, depending on your goals. You can put in, whatever else you like as well. This is just a rough template. This is, I guess, this is the easiest and the quickest version of the meal, but it doesn't have to be like that. If you have more time, spice it up a bit more and add more into it. Then the protein source is going to be the shredded chicken, or meats, or tofu even. It can be really any source of protein that you enjoy. And the burritos out there have so many different types of meats that you can just use the recipe that other burritos have and cook it at home. So then if you're trying to watch the calories, you can go with like a low calorie hot sauce, or you can go with a full calorie sauce, depending on your preference and your goals. And then also the burrito or the wrap itself. So you can get different calories in different burritos. Pay no heed to it if you're not really trying to be conscious of calories. If you are, and you're on a kind of a calorie budget, then start to pay more attention to the calories in the foods you eat. The last one then is a protein salad. So again, same cheese, low or full fat, depending on your goal. Sriracha sauce, which again, you can put in any sauce you like. The ham then, I just have lean ham, and any other source of meat, or even tofu if you like, and then just some mixed greens to flesh it out. So this would be one of the quicker meals. Throw it all together, put some sauce on, and you're good to go. So all the meals are easy to make, in my opinion. All the meals are relatively tasty, they're not going to be seen in a restaurant, or you're not going to be writing home about it, but they are effective, they are filling, and very like adjustable depending on your requirement, your goals, your taste, your palate. So it's kind of like a rough template to hit your protein and also have healthy meals. So I hope that helps. And that is it.